Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The Canon EOS R6, released in 2020, quickly became a favorite among photographers, captivating them with its impressive performance, versatile feature set, and approachable price point. This winning combination made it a popular choice for a wide range of users, from enthusiastic amateurs to working professionals. Building upon this success, the rumored EOS R6 Mark III is poised to further elevate the mirrorless experience. While official confirmation is still pending, leaked specifications and details provide a strong indication of what to expect. This isn't a complete overhaul of the R6. The Mark III focuses on refinement and addressing specific weaknesses while introducing exciting new features. Release date and expectations. Rumors suggest a launch sometime in the first quarter of 2025, likely coinciding with CP+, a major industry event. Canon has a history of making significant announcements around this time. Key improvements. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is poised to be a significant leap forward in image quality and performance. At its heart lies a rumored 24-megapixel sensor, likely the advanced LC1720, promising a substantial improvement in dynamic range. This translates to greater detail in both the shadows and highlights of your images, capturing a wider range of tones and colors. Furthermore, the increased sensitivity of the sensor is expected to yield superior low-light performance, allowing you to capture stunning images even in challenging lighting conditions. Complementing this advanced sensor is the powerful Digic X processor, a cornerstone of the camera's exceptional image quality. This powerful engine not only processes images rapidly but also plays a crucial role in enabling up to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization. This significant boost in stabilization dramatically improves handheld shooting capabilities, allowing for sharper images and smoother videos, even with longer lenses or in situations where a tripod is impractical. Speed and performance are paramount for action photographers, and the Mark III promises to deliver a groundbreaking 30 frames per second electronic shutter with RAW support. This blistering speed enables effortless capture of fleeting moments, such as fast-moving sports action or unpredictable wildlife encounters. This surpasses the already impressive 40 frames per second burst rate of the Mark II, offering a significant advantage for capturing decisive moments. Furthermore, advanced neural network noise reduction algorithms are expected to minimize noise at high ISO settings, ensuring cleaner and more usable images even when shooting in low light. Building upon the success of its flagship models, the Mark III is likely to inherit the robust autofocus system of the EOS R5 Mark II. This advanced system, powered by sophisticated algorithms and deep learning, ensures fast, accurate, and reliable subject tracking in a wide range of conditions. Whether you're capturing portraits, shooting street photography, or filming dynamic videos, the refined autofocus system promises smoother and more predictable tracking performance, allowing you to effortlessly maintain focus on your subject, even when they are moving quickly or unpredictably. Enhanced video capabilities. Cinema 4K 120p and 6K oversampled Cinema 4K provides options for high-resolution footage and smooth slow-motion effects. Cinema RAW light support enables high-quality video capture in 6K 30p and 4K 60p for both cinematic and YouTube content. Full-sized HDMI port addresses a common user concern by replacing the smaller micro HDMI port, making it easier to connect to external recorders. Design and ergonomics. Flip-out and tilt screen. This innovative design, inspired by competitors like Sony and Panasonic, allows for greater flexibility in shooting angles. The screen can be flipped out for vlogging and low-angle shots or tilted up and down for traditional photography setups. OLED rear screen. This is a significant upgrade for Canon in this line. OLED technology offers deeper blacks, better contrast, and more vibrant image preview, enhancing the overall shooting experience. Refined features. Pre-capture. The Mark III builds upon the successful pre-capture feature introduced in the Mark II, allowing photographers to capture images before fully pressing the shutter button, increasing the chances of capturing fleeting moments. Electronic viewfinder. The Mark III is expected to feature a higher resolution electronic viewfinder, offering a sharper and clearer view for precise focus and exposure, especially in bright conditions. Improved cooling system. While the exact implementation remains uncertain, the Mark III is rumored to have a more efficient cooling system to address overheating issues that have plagued some previous Canon R series cameras during extended video recording. The highly anticipated EOS R6 Mark III, while boasting impressive specifications, notably omits two features that were keenly awaited by certain user groups. Firstly, eye control autofocus, a technology that allows for intuitive subject tracking using only eye movements, is absent. This feature, present in some higher-end models like the EOS R5, enhances the shooting experience for portrait photographers and videographers who rely heavily on precise subject tracking. Secondly, C-Log2, a renowned color profile known for its wide dynamic range and flexibility in post-production, appears to be reserved for more premium models. While the Mark III offers advanced video capabilities, including internal 6K recording, the lack of C-Log2 might disappoint professional videographers who prioritize maximum color grading control. These omissions suggest that Canon may be strategically positioning the R6 Mark III as a more accessible and cost-effective option within its mirrorless lineup. By excluding these features, Canon can maintain a clear distinction between the R6 and higher-end models like the EOS R5 Mark II and the forthcoming EOS R1, which are expected to cater to the most demanding professional users. Eye Control AF and C-Log2 are not included in the EOS R6 Mark III. These omissions likely contribute to the camera's more competitive pricing. Canon likely reserves these features for higher-end models to maintain product differentiation. Overall, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III represents a significant step forward for the popular R6 series. By focusing on refinement, addressing user feedback, and incorporating cutting-edge technology, Canon aims to deliver a more capable and versatile camera for both photography and videography enthusiasts. While some features may be missing, the overall package, including improved image quality, enhanced video capabilities, and a more refined design, is expected to make the Mark III a compelling option for those seeking a high-performance mirrorless camera.